GivingTree right now has multiple ways to apply the loans. I'm going to introduce two primary ways for applicants to apply GivingTree lending, and both require that identification verification via Google or Apple ID. So first, you click the custom link where you received when you were signed up with us, or go to givingtreelending.com, click apply now, and click long form or short form. Long form is for the loan qualification, short form is for the rate shop. Soft pull usually is selected automatically with short form, and the hard pull is selected when the long form is selected. But we can always change. And after we click the verification process, we go into the submission. After borrower completes the 1003, we receive a notification through email, and we log into ERP and go to the new submission pipeline, and under direct borrower application, we'll be able to see this page. On here, I want to just pause and click this Save to Prospect Applicant link. This is a critical step because it allows our team to officially register the applicant into the Do Not Call list. Once saved, you'll navigate back to the main page and continue. Step 4 is to exporting data. There is a file named XML being used for appraisal, management, and the Calyx point. To move this data into our loan software, we download this XML file to identify the applicant and application you want to access. And second, by clicking this button located on the upper right corner of the application interface, the download data will be able to be uploaded to the computer. Step 5 is the preparing the Calyx point. After you open the Calyx point central to prepare the landing spot for this data, go to File, New, and click Loan, and finally select the borrower. And alternatively, you can also click this blank page button, and when the dialog box appears, select New Blank File and click OK. Step 6 is to import the XML file. This is the final step to bring the borrower's information into the new file. In Calyx Point, go to File, Import From, and choose Fannie Mae 3.4 MISMO, and locate the XML file you previously downloaded in the folder. It should be in your download folder as a default, but if you want to choose a custom folder, you can freely do so. Select the file, click open, and all borrower data will now populate into Calyx loan file. And don't forget to save the file so that you can conclude the primary review. At this time, we have multiple pages. So we have this dashboard allowing loan officers to go through all the standard of procedures, checklist, how to run the pricing, but seems like not everyone has access to this or nor have tried to access these. So I highly recommend you to click one at a time and make sure we are on the same page. But today's training is regards to how to simplify, instead of reading these 14, 15 page documents. On the dashboard, we have updated the screenshot, snapshot, locked file, not locked files, and if you have any active files going on, and if one of the processors or LOAs are tagging you, you'll be able to receive email and text notifications immediately. And you can go into all these tabs in case you want to dive in before clicking the borrower's application. We have updated two in the last couple of weeks. First is in the view pipeline. You'll be able to search all the files that you are currently doing with multiple selections, starting from the lock, loan amount, rate, and the loan type. And let's assume that we have funded it 6-7 months ago or so. You can also filter using the system from, let's say, 6 to 7, or let's say 8.5. And then you can also choose the time. You can also choose the purpose when the file was closed at. You can also click the lien type, loan term, occupancy, lock expiration date to find out when the rate was locked in, and click search. You'll be able to filter through multiple files so that you don't have to wander around. And second, when this file is being registered again, as as we do with processing team, sending the updated pay stubs, W-2s, and mortgage statements, the process will be very similar. You can send this file back into the loan prospect. and do and repeat. In the loan prospect, we updated the loan purpose, application type, and the stage. So I've been using this for last couple of weeks, and we are still in the beta phase. But one thing that is critical is to register in the DNC and the updating the stage of the loan. So we don't have to wander around if this pre-qualification is either purchase or rate in term. So I have 2 rate in terms that I pre-qualified and 14 purchases amongst all the pipelines. And some of them who are following up, there are 3. Some of who's fully approved and pre-approval letters and is 8 so far. So you can customize your filters as many ways as you can, or click show all, and then you can create your own. So if you have any feedbacks with the system and the update, please let us know. There are about 7 more to fix and to update. Whenever we have the version 1, the final one ready to share, we'll be able to create a video and tutorial guidelines so that you can walk through. But at this time, the things that I shared today is fully active and running. I want you to fully engage into it. Learning the opportunity, protecting the borrower from do not call list is going to stop from all the solicitations. I anticipated the trigger leads to be stopped on December last year, but surprisingly, there's a lobbyist extending this until March. So we have 2 full months to be aware and to protect our borrowers from all these, the purchasers out there.